Episode 7, Tool Calling in Spring AI, when the model asks your Java code to actually do something. 3 bands, your code on top, Spring AI as the seam in the middle, the model on the bottom. We're 1 layer up from Episode 3. Now the model can ask your code to do something. A model has no hands. It can't set an alarm, check the clock, or read a database. It can only write words. That gap is exactly what tool calling closes. You write a plain Java method and put @tool on it. Class DateTimeTools, method getCurrentDateTime with a description string. That's the entire contract. No interface to implement, no base class to extend. ChatClient.prompt, user what day is tomorrow. Tools, new DateTimeTools. OneCall.tools tells Spring AI this method exists for this request. Use default tools on the builder if every request should have access. Your prompt goes out, and the tool's definition, its name, description, and parameters rides along automatically. The model doesn't answer. It asks, run getCurrentDateTime for me. This is a normal event, not an error, just the model asking your code to do a job. Spring AI's tool calling manager hands the request to your method. Authorized, executed. Nothing runs unless your code runs it. That is the whole enterprise story. Your return value is wrapped as a tool response message. Because return direct defaults to false, the raw result goes back to the model, not straight to the user. The model turns your data into a sentence a human actually reads. Tomorrow is Thursday, July 12th, 2026. Second tool, set alarm, takes an ISO 8601 time string. The model emits JSON time 2026-07-11, and Spring AI binds it straight onto your method signature. No manual parsing. Now the model asks for a tool outside the caller's authorization scope. Your code checks and refuses. Blocked, unauthorized, throw a tool execution exception, log it. The model can only ask. It never overrides your authorization. The model requests, your code decides. Every tool call is a request, not a command. That is the enterprise rule in one sentence. Next up, Episode 8. MCP standardizes this same tool boundary across servers. Notes at the stackunderflow.com/tool-calling. Spring AI moves fast. Updates live at the stackunderflow.com/spring-AI.